Let's be honest, every time you turn on the telly or scroll through your phone, it's a bloody disaster. But in the middle of all that chaos, I got 2 anchors that keep me grounded, keep me relaxed and calm. They're my dogs, Bella and Clancy. It's one of the few honest deals left in the world in your home. Hang on, Marcus. You're the energy guy. Why are you making a video about dogs? Fair question.
Well, it's over $1 million just in operating costs.
A year?
Yeah.
But I think it's a 3 monthly. We're looking at $5,400 for your electricity bill.
This solar and SAJ battery system will fight a close to $20,000 annual power bill. So we've paid literally for 40 to 50 dogs to go from death row to a home.
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
Now, watching Bella and Clancy snoring safely the other night made me think of the thousands out there without a home. And when you hit a certain age and stare in the mirror, you realize time is cruel. The truth is, society treats us exact the same way. When you're young, the world loves you. And the second you age, you're cast out. So these animals are no different. Everyone wants the shiny new thing, but animals aren't toys. In the end, they just want a bit of dignity, a bit of love. That made me think about the heroes dedicating their lives to them. So I reached out to Monika, who runs Doggy Rescue. She doesn't take the easy puppies. She runs a strict no-kill sanctuary for the broken ones, the old ones, and the dogs on death row, the ones that nobody else wants. I went down there to listen to her story.
Twinkle's a diabetic, so she's not cheap to keep, right? She needs insulin, she needs blood tests, she's got to go to the vet regularly and have blood screenings. You know, we didn't know she was a diabetic when we took her on. She was just another dog from the pound.
So how old is Twinkle?
She's about 10.
Of course, anybody adopting Twinkle will have to take all the extra care with it. So the chance for Twinkle to be adopted is not that high, is it?
That's right. That's right.
Taking on one senior diabetic dog is a massive financial and emotional commitment. But what absolutely blew my mind is what this place does when a full-blown crisis develops.
Because, I mean, they all look like brothers and sisters.
Well, they all came from a hoarding situation, yeah. So they all know each other.
Oh my God, you're saying somebody had all these dogs?
Yeah, they had over 100 and they were a registered breeder at one stage. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Anyway.
You could see it in her eyes. It was just too heavy to talk about it right there on camera. But the story behind those dogs is heartbreaking.
They're all inbred and there was skin and bones when they came here. Absolutely shocking. Bites everywhere. We still have a couple of dogs that are still really uptight. We've probably got adopted out 15 of them. So we probably still have 15 plus new ones that keep coming.
Now, what's their story?
So they're from the pound and they both have heartworm. So that's a very expensive and 3-month treatment. So
And you could have simply, with tablets every month, you could have stopped it, isn't it? Just the cost for these 2 dogs to keep them alive and make them healthy again. What are we talking?
Well, the heartworm treatment is at least $6,000, and I don't know the
$6,000?
And the mast cell tumour, I don't know, that must be at least 3 because we at least 3.
So if somebody wants this dog, you're not going to charge them $3,000, are you?
No, they're only $400 and $450 for a girl. That's because you can't. Otherwise, they never get a home.
She is the safety net for a society that's lost its way.
So what do you feel like is like the biggest reason that all these dogs end up in shelters?
People get cute little puppies for their children and then all of a sudden realize they pee everywhere or they're chewing the furniture or whatever. It's cute little puppy husky. They're hard work. They need brushing, they need looking after, exercise.
I hear with the cost of living, people just tie their dog up and go for a run.
Well, we get our dogs from the pound here on who are on death row. So Monika takes the difficult dogs that none of the other rescues are really keen to take. Some of them will take them.
I just want to talk about the money a little bit more because nowadays nothing is for free. You got maintenance of the place, you got the electricity, you've got obviously still the food. I don't expect all the food to be donated.
No, not at all.
And I mean, 100 dogs eat a lot of, they say in
right.
Germany, a lot of small animals make a lot of poo.
Yes.
But you got not small ones, you got big ones.
Yeah, we have everything all together. Yeah.
So my
that's
point
right.
is, what are the running costs just of the facility like?
Well, it's over $1 million just in operating costs.
A year?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of donations.
Yes, it is. But I do have some amazing volunteers that support and help with those sort of, I can't do it myself, of course, but yes, there's a lot of work to be done.
Without a single cent of government funding. That's what's happening. Every dollar she spends has to be donated or raised. Now, I can't fix the rental crisis and I can't stop people from treating dogs like disposable toys. But I've spent my entire life in the renewable energy industry. Energy is my domain.
I had a look at your electricity bills, okay? And here is a typical one. I think it's a 3 monthly. We're looking at $5,400 for your electricity bill.
And that's because we don't have any town water here. So we have a dam and we have to pump water from the dam into the tanks. Then we have to have another pump to pump all the water around the kennels. So that costs money. We also have installed air conditioning for the dogs at night time just to keep them calm and cool and relaxed, because that's very important.
So I picked up the phone and I reached out to our partners, IECO Solar Panels, Clenergy Wrecking, most importantly, SAJ Batteries, and of course the magician who brought it all together, Instant Solar. And I told them what was happening. We need to get this shelter off the eye-watering bills for the future. They didn't even blink. Monika's doggy rescue needs a solar and battery rescue.
I really appreciate that you guys got out of your way to give us a whole set of panels for Monika's, because $5,000 electricity bill, hard to cope when you're like a volunteer organisation.
I personally have been involved in dog fostering. I think the spirit of what they're trying to do here is just so admirable, and the length of time that they've been doing it for, it's unmatched. And it's something we want to be a part of. Giving back, I think, is the spirit of the solar industry. Like, we're looking after our planet, we're looking after things beyond ourselves, and that really attracts IECO, I think.
We had to have your panels. You look at that roof behind us and behind you, it's asbestos. Then there's a couple of others, they're very flimsy. So we actually only had one roof, but we looked at the electricity bill at $5,000.
Yeah.
We needed a minimum of 13 kilowatt and we just couldn't fit it. So guess which panel was the right panel?
Well, being the most efficient panel, that means the best use of space, right? The technical specification called for the best panel, which is IECO.
You can't build a fortress on a weak foundation. Ingleside gets battered with storms, so we anchored the whole array down with Clenergy Wrecking, literally the strongest bones of this operation. That wrecking brand sits on over 1 million Aussie roofs and offers a 25-year product warranty, and most importantly, is the easiest and fastest system to install.
I'm here with Vincent from SAJ Electrics, and Vincent is really our hero because he made the biggest contribution by giving us the SAJ battery, the gateway, the backup that is affordable and hasn't just flown into Australia for the last 3 weeks because now there's a battery rebate. So did you guys just come in, or you've been around for a while?
SAJ was founded in 2005. We've been in the Australian market since 2013. And the model that we're installing today is the latest and greatest. It's a revised version of the B2 battery that's been installed the last few years, thousands of units around the country. This is the B2S, which is a single stack version.
Guess what? 3 days ago, they had a blackout. But I mean, also what it means in their office, everything stops. The aircon stops, they can't run the computers.
Obviously, the site here uses lots of power. Now, we've included the automatic transfer switch, which allows basically for a whole house backup. So if the site loses power, everything goes black, the system will automatically transfer to either set up the entire house or a dedicated portion.
And now we're giving them the certainty to run their operations 24 hours thanks to the SAJ battery.
SAJ's jumped on this opportunity when we saw it. We're really happy to be involved.
You happen to have a dog yourself?
I do. Nala, beautiful little Staffy.
This solar and SAJ battery system will fight a close to $20,000 annual power bill and give Monika over $12,000 in saving. So over the 10-year plus life of the battery pack, this will be over $120,000 that Monika will save. But what does $120,000 in a dog world actually buy? For example, a blocked intestine will be $2,000. A heartworm treatment can be $6,000.
I'm here with Sam from Instant Solar, and Sam has actually given his time and the crew time in the middle of a battery rebate boom. How hard was it to actually give us the time?
This was a good cause for us. It means we can give back to the community. I've got to rescue myself, and this kind of hit home when you guys told me about the cause.
But gee, the battery, and they're hard to come by. So this is not just the battery just coming to the market trying to take advantage of the battery rebate. You've actually been installing these for 5 years.
That is correct. We've got over 120 plants in the market since we've been started installing SAJ. That includes over 450 batteries in the field.
So really, very much appreciated.
Thank you.
So if you know a local hero or someone who really needs a helping hand, but they're being smacked and pummeled by massive power bills, let us know. At Your Energy Answers, we want to make a difference and do a solar and battery rescue to help give our animals and the world a better future. You can email us a story at ask@yourenergymedia.com. Aren't you lucky, Bailey?
So this is your little board where you're getting the cards.
Oh, yeah.
These are ones that you used to have, is it?
Well, they've adopted, yes.
Basically want to send you a card saying we're doing well.
Yeah.
And all of them have a bit of a doggy theme.
Yes.
And I have been in pounds because I've had in the past 2 rescue dogs myself, but I really haven't seen a place where it doesn't matter if you Snoopy with 3 legs or if you got Twinkle with diabetes, there is still a home that actually looks after you. So I'm kind of really taken over and getting a bit emotional really about the love that is given to these animals and what the difference would be if we wouldn't have somebody like Monika. And if we can make a bit of a difference, I'm going to send you a postcard too every year, say, how's the battery going? How's the SAJ battery going?
Yeah.
Now, how do you start a doggy rescue? Did you see an ad in Seek and just put your hand up for it?
No, it just sort of happened from small beginnings and no real planning, really. We were in a recession, so I took on a little bit of extra work. I started my own pet minding business. One of the jobs that I was doing was actually doing some vet nursing at a vet clinic. That happened to be a pound for the dogs and cats, and that opened my eyes to what happens to animals when owners don't reclaim them. In those days, I'm talking 30 years ago, a lot of animals never get reclaimed, so they had no future. And I said, oh look, I'll take them home, I'll see if I can get a home for them. Sort of started from there.
We need more heroes like Monika, her staff and her volunteers. They're out there every single day, dealing with the heartbreak and the mess we humans create just to make sure these animals know what love really feels like.
I'm sorry to say this, Monika, you don't know I'm saying this, but this lady should deserve a medal because she's a saint. She has saved, over the last 15 plus years, over 14,000 dogs to be put down by kennels. If there are dogs in a particular pound and the time's running out, there's a phone call going to Monika, please help. Like this little one who was actually adopted out many years ago, 14 years old. The name?
Yeah. Mimi.
Mimi. And unfortunately, the owner passed away and Mimi's come back for a second life at Doggy's Rescue. If you feel and love dogs and you're looking for a dog, don't just get them from a breeder in the backyard alley. Please look to consider to actually get a rescue dog because they need the love. Monika's got over 80. Actually, it's more, 120, is it?
Yeah, that's right.
120.
Yes.
Get it right. If you want to make donations, if you want to help this organisation stay, because how much money do you get from the government?
Nothing.
That's it. But I felt we really need to make that appeal. If you got some spare at these difficult times, people pass dogs on in the cost of living crisis, this is the rescue place. This lady is a saint. Even her husband says nice things about her.
So if you're interested in solar and batteries and how solar and batteries can make a difference in people's life, we have 50 of the most vetted, high-quality installers right across Australia. Go to our dealer finder, have a look, because there are companies like Instant Solar who will give you a good service, who will install a quality battery, who will be there in a couple of years' time when you need after-sale service. And for anybody else who wants to help Monika, go for it. Don't wait. And I'll see you at the next program. Till then.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.